Hi, my name is Brian D. Bataanon, and I've been in HR industry in past 3 years. But currently, I'm doing business automation. I help businesses automate tasks and improve efficiency using Zapier, Make.com, Go High Level, and also I'm doing website using WordPress with Elementor. Also, I can do website and funnels in Go High Level, but I specialize in setting up CRM automation, lead management, and marketing workflows to save time and reduce manual work. I also have basic knowledge of HubSpot, Monday.com, Microsoft Copilot Studio, and Airtable, which help me to work with different tools based on business needs. Um, my goal is to make automation is simple and effective so businesses can focus on growth instead of repetitive tasks. I think that's it.